In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color scheme on Shopify using the 2025 updated tutorial. Whether you're hoping to refresh your website's look with a new color palette or simply make it more coherent with your brand's identity, changing the color scheme on Shopify is a straightforward process that can make a world of difference in the appeal and effectiveness of your online store. So let's jump right in and explore the steps you need to follow to achieve this. First up, we're heading straight to your Shopify admin panel, where all the magic happens. If you're unfamiliar, the Shopify admin is essentially the command center of your online store. Once you're there, you want to navigate to your online store section. This option is conveniently located in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on it will take you to a page that displays your themes, which are the foundation of your website's design and functionality. Now that you're in the right area, let's move on to the next part, which is accessing the theme settings. On your themes page, you'll notice a Customize button next to your active theme. Clicking on Customize allows you to tweak various aspects of your online store, including the layout, typography, and of course, the color scheme. What you want to do now is look for the gear icon or button that's labeled Theme Settings. This particular icon is your gateway to a range of customization options where you can pick and choose the finer details of your store's appearance. Inside the theme settings, you'll find different sections you can modify. But right now, our focus is on the color schemes. You'll typically see this option conveniently categorized under something like Colors, making it easy to locate. You can either use one of the presets provided by Shopify or dive deeper to create a custom palette that better aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Experiment with the colors here. The goal is to find combinations that not only look good, but also enhance readability and attract attention where needed. Once you've decided on a color scheme that perfectly suits your style, it's crucial not to forget to save your changes. Sometimes we get so involved in crafting the ideal look that we move on without finalizing it. Simply click the Save button in your customization panel. It's generally located in the top right corner, ensuring all your hard work sticks and goes live on your website. And there you have it, a freshly updated color scheme for your Shopify store that is both eye-catching and reflective of your brand identity. A well-chosen color palette can significantly impact your customers' experience, making it more enjoyable and encouraging them to spend more time browsing and shopping. Remember, these changes aren't set in stone, so feel free to experiment until you find what best represents your brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in giving your online store the visual makeover it deserves.